I didn't like my hairline. I guess it's kind of genetics, and because tight hairstyles, maybe bleaching my hair, too much hair color. So I guess that contributed to me not liking my hairline and it being a little too high. I wasn't losing any hair, it was just an aesthetic concern. I really like Dr. Dorin because, they looked very honest on their website. They had a lot of information there. They had a lot of work on females done, so I could see more of something that I could relate to. And then when I came to see Dr. Dorin and talk to him, he was also very honest about the results and about some complications that could occur. That's why I really liked his honesty, and I liked his work. He recommended that we do 1,300 grafts. The procedure took about the whole day. They numbed the scalp, so you basically couldn't feel anything when they were doing it. You just had to lay back and let them do all the work. At first, I was a little upset because the numbness, they put adrenaline in you, so you get a lot of energy, but they give you a blue pill, so it kind of calms you down. So I was calm throughout the procedure. Everybody was really nice, talkative, and friendly. One of the ladies, she spoke my language, she spoke Russian, so she spoke to my mom a little bit about it. And everybody, they answered all the questions I had too. They were very helpful. I think Dr. Dorin is very honest. He's a very nice person. I think he actually cares about his patients. He'll take all the time he needs to answer any question you have, and he'll follow up with the procedure to find out how you're doing. And he'll make sure, he'll double check to make sure you like everything that he does. I'm very happy with the results. I feel more confident now. I don't think about my hair. I'm not obsessed about it. It's I forgot it's there, which is exactly what I wanted. I don't want to keep thinking about my hairline. I want to focus on other parts of my life. No, actually I haven't told anybody about the procedure, which is very good because nobody really, it was a noticeable difference for me, but nobody else really noticed it, which is exactly what I wanted. But for anybody else who's looking to do this procedure, I would really recommend this doctor. He's very, very good, and he really takes care of his patients.